Had a high-speed crash in the construction zone. I got one worker with a injured ankle and he's fire as well. The vehicle smoking. The pedestrian that was struck is still breathing, unconscious as well.
It's audio from the Washington State Patrol giving us new insight tonight into the aftermath of a crash that badly hurt 2 construction workers. And police say it all happened because of a car race. So thanks for joining us tonight for your news at 10. I'm David Rose.
And I'm Jamie Tompkins. Detectives believe 2 cars were racing on I-5 in Tacoma when they drove right into a work zone early yesterday morning. Fox 13's Jennifer Lee joins us live from Tacoma tonight. And Jen, troopers say these workers are lucky to be alive.
Yes, Jamie and David, very lucky. In fact, we actually learned that one of the construction workers was standing outside when she was hit, and then she was pinned against her own truck. State Patrol is now asking everyone to do their part to make sure road crews stay safe.
Had a high-speed crash in the construction zone. The Dodge Charger and a Chrysler 300, 100 plus.
Take a listen to State Patrol dispatch audio from 3 in the morning on Sunday.
Of a Dodge Charger and Chrysler 300 racing.
2 vehicles were racing in excess of 100 miles an hour when they entered a work zone where crews were restriping southbound I-5 in Tacoma near L Street.
So the vehicle that crashed is the Charger. The Chrysler 300 continued southbound, and the pedestrian that was struck is still breathing, unconscious as well.
Trooper Anthony Reese says the Chrysler 300 slowed down in the work zone, but the Dodge Charger didn't, rear-ending the Chrysler. The Charger lost control and slid 30 feet into a Jersey barrier, severely injuring 2 workers.
Hit a construction worker, pinning her between her truck and the Charger. And then there was also someone sitting inside of that construction vehicle in the passenger seat who suffered serious head injuries.
Troopers say the driver of the Charger was under the influence and taken into custody for 2 charges of vehicular assault.
Always slow down in construction zones. Across the nation, there's far too many collisions within construction zones where construction workers are injured.
Not to mention the troopers and other workers on the highway who are vulnerable to driver behavior.
Everyone just needs to adhere to the rules of the road and just slow down and try to keep each other safe.
We're also in touch with Atkinson Construction, who say both of their workers were taken to the hospital to be treated, and so far only one of them has been released. As for the driver of that second vehicle, State Patrol says that driver did not stop and stay for the investigation. Detectives say this case is active and ongoing. For now, reporting live in Tacoma, Jennifer Lee, Fox 13 News.